This video demonstrates how the Ignore Missing Data property affects the node links in Sankey chart for Excel. Note, the last cell value is missing in the age group column. At level 2, gender, the male node is missing a link to level 3, age group. Click on the settings to change the properties. Click on the Drawing Mode section to change the properties. When Ignore Missing Data is enabled, slid to the right, this is the expected behavior. You can disable this feature by sliding the Ignore Missing Data button to the left, that is turning it off. Click on the Apply button. Note, the missing data for the male node is ignored and not displayed. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.